Hey there, Greg Thompson here from Budget and Kilburn Cars in Manukau. Thank you for your email inquiry in regards to our Toyota Hiace van that we have right here for you. Now I thought I'd do a YouTube video for you, to answer your question and to show you the car in better detail. Now I say asking about delivery cost all the way down to Invercargill. We have done that a few times. You are looking at well over the $1,200 mark including GST. Now that is using two different companies. One is iDrive, that drive the cars down, up and down the country. Another company is called Transport Logistics, and what they actually is they put transport and take it down, so I don't put up any K's on it instead anyway. Now we've been using those companies for quite a long time and we're very trustworthy of them just because they've helped us out for such a long time and never ever missed a beat for us. Now if you're going to use someone else, I do hear that other companies out there that are quite a bit cheap or can be quite a bit cheaper. If you do come across someone, go for it, completely understand, no worries there at all. Now back to the van itself, pretty nice and tidy, as you can see, a few little marks there, nothing major though. Dual slider as well, so if you're trading hopping out this driver's door, as you know, very easy just getting back into the right hand side as opposed to going around the left hand side every single time in and out of the van. Any other questions, give us a call, text, stream. We have been selling cars for well over 35 years and we do sell over a couple hundred cars each and every month, so Can will definitely look after you. As it says, we've got quite a few other vans here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I've got heaps of them. Any other questions, give us a buzz. Okay Greg, see you mate.